Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It has been a while, but I'm back and ready to make some more videos. So for today I'm doing a what's in my purse. The last one I have done was a few years ago with that pink mini book bag, if you remember watching that video. So this is the Louis Vuitton mini pochette that I got for Christmas, and it does come with a crossbody chain which is much longer, but I've been loving it as a clutch. This is a dupe, but there are a few on Amazon if you'd like to check those out, or if you're interested, I could link some in the description box below. On the outside, I have a hand sanitizer and a pom-pom keychain. And opening it up, the wallet that I have in there does take up most of the space, but it's understandable since it's so small. That is I don't think it's from the same seller, I'm not positive though, and it's really cute. It is pretty thin for a wallet that size. Next up, I have some feminine products, as well as my earbuds, which are just wrapped around so they don't get tangled. And next I have a lip balm from the BlizzTex Fruit Smoothies in the flavor Berry Explosion. It's super tiny and I love it for that reason. Next I have some hair ties, and scrunchies are honestly way too big to put in this. Next I have some bubble gum, the Extra brand, and I also have my house key, and I just keep it on a hair tie so that it doesn't get lost as easily, or if I need to clip it to the outside of my purse I totally can. In the zippered pocket I have a pair of rose gold hoop earrings, still in the packaging from what I got, and overall I have been loving the purse. It's so cute and tiny. It does have just the zippered pocket on one side, and on the other side it's just an open pocket. So overall, I highly recommend this purse, and I would recommend checking it out if you like the Louis Vuitton style. So thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!